Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode on Forex trading. Whether you're new to Forex or a seasoned pro, we all make mistakes. And when it comes to Forex, those mistakes can be costly. Today, we'll dive into 7 mistakes many traders make and how you can avoid them to protect your profits. Let's get started. First up, not having a solid trading plan. Many traders dive in without a clear strategy and quickly realize their results are all over the place. A proven plan helps keep emotions in check and leads to more consistent outcomes. Number 2, over-leveraging. Leverage can amplify your profits, but it also magnifies your losses. From a risk-reward perspective, using leverage should be done with the utmost care. Never over-leverage or you could lose everything. Next up, insufficient analysis. Skipping through analysis before a trade is a recipe for disaster. Rushing into trades based on news or rumors often leads to losses. Take your time to do thorough research and stick to your plan. The fourth mistake is having incorrect risk to reward ratio. Setting it right is crucial. While many suggest a 1:2 ratio, your ideal setup might vary. Make sure, however, that it aligns with your overall strategy and current skill level. Now, here's a emotion-based mistake for number 5 on our list. Lost a trade? Don't rush to make it back right away. Overtrading usually leads to an even bigger loss. Instead of trying to catch up with your losses, just stay calm and follow your plan. Next, we'll look at trading too many instruments. Trading multiple currencies or markets can stretch your focus thin. And while diversification is important, stick to a number you're comfortable with to allow for a clear focus and healthy work-life balance. And lastly, we'll discuss reviewing your trading history. Reviewing your past trades is a gold mine for learning. It reveals what's working and what needs improvement, helping you refine your strategy for long-term success. So, in conclusion, before you start your next trade, review these rules and apply them to your overall strategy. Also, if you have any additions to this list, please drop them in the comments below for us all to learn from. Thanks for listening and see you in the next video.